네, 선생님 말씀 감사합니다.
네.
Thank you, Susanim. When you said that we should have a democracy that even communists admire, it impressed me deeply. This summit is actually one of President Biden's presidential campaign promises. The United States represents liberal democracy and is the most powerful country in the world. The President of the U.S. is the head of the executive branch of their democratic government and the highest commander of the armed forces. But, as you have said, if the government should become small, I think that the presidential status will change greatly. Many people worldwide think that democracy is right and that democratic countries should be at the forefront of social welfare. So I think they may be shocked by your words. Would you please explain a little more about this?
네. 우리가 큰 정부, 작은 정부를
You should
오인을
not misunderstand when I say big or small governments.
정부는 내가
A
하는
big
행위를
government means that its actions are weak and inefficient, despite being huge.
걸 이야기합니다. 작은 정부는
A small government is when leaders govern using high quality words so that society runs smoothly on its own, resulting in a high quality country.
나경영을 하는 걸 이야기합니다. 공무원들이 자기 자리에서
Are public officials performing high quality work in their positions?
이게 문제지. 숫자가
That's the
많다고
essence.
지금 이
Just because there are a lot of government officials doesn't necessarily mean more power. It's about to collapse.
공무원들의 제자리에서
We must
지금
know
하는 것은
what civil servants should do in their positions, but we don't know that.
공무원직에 들어가면
Public office positions are a school where they learn to become true humans.
세계의 좋은 이론들을
It is a
가져와서
school
우리가 이걸
where you
나쁘게
study
해서
and
우리가
research
공부를
while you grow
하고
up
연구를
by
하는
gathering the world's good theories and practicing them.
근데 연구는 안 하고 거기서 우리는 봉급을 받고
However,
살아야
the
되고
government
지금은
officials
우리가
misunderstand,
부자가 돼야 되는데
thinking
착각을
they are
하고
there
이
to earn a
공무원들을
living,
활동하기에는
buy a house, and become rich without really studying. The size of the government has become too big to lead. Do you think that it's okay to have so many government officials with low quality ideas and work? It doesn't work that way. In the future, we have to create a high quality society and government. High quality public officials who grow themselves while serving society. This is the way of the future. It will be a small, yet powerful government. I didn't say we should have a weak government. I meant a small-sized government. Then, these officials do not consume a lot of people's blood and sweat and execute programs that benefit citizens while studying and fulfilling their roles. Neither Korean nor US officials are doing this. No country in the world has become such. As the leader of the highest democracy that leads the world, has he met the highest teacher in the world? He has not. So of course, he is having a hard time. What is it like for a leader not to have a 스승, a great mentor? He probably wants to die several times during his tenure. Is he trying to be the world leader without meeting a 스승 in this day and age? The global village of this era has an enormous mass of quality energy. In order to manage this, he has to solve it with wisdom, not with learned knowledge. He has to meet a 스승 to gain wisdom and lead the world with that wisdom. Instead of being greedy for a country,
나라의
A
지도자들을
스승 makes the country prosper by guiding the country's leader to shine, live upright, and receive respect.
그 나라의 지도자는 그
When a
국민한테
leader of a country receives respect from the people and influences the world, then he will be respected around the
힘
world.
있다고 존경하는 게
People
아니고
don't respect the leader because of his power.
지혜롭고
Wisdom
국민을
comes from
아끼고
those who are
세계를 아끼고
wise,
사랑하는 자.
care for and love the people and the world.
그건 스승 없이는 그런
They
교육을
can't
받아도
receive this kind of education without a
지식을
스승.
갖춘 사람으로서
A smart
똑똑한
person
사람으로
with
기여하는
knowledge cannot attain such wisdom.
나는 똑똑하기보다는
Someone who is humble rather than a smart
국민한테
person.
겸손하고
Someone who dedicates himself while humbled by the people and nature.
이런 사람은
Such
지혜가
a person realizes wisdom.
스승을 만나지 않으면
They
그런
cannot
교육을
receive
받지
such an education if they don't meet a great
이유는
mentor.
엄청나게 질량이
The
큰
world has
인류가
achieved an
됐어요.
incredible amount of high quality
지금
energy.
2차 대전 때 인류가 아닙니다.
It is not the same world as it was in the World War II era.
엄청나게 지구촌에
The
팽창된
global
사회,
village has expanded tremendously, and society has all sorts of hopes and aspirations.
인류 지도자가 되는 것도
Someone
힘으로 되는 게
cannot
아니고
become a leader of humanity
다시
using
힘을
force
벌이고
at this
전쟁을
time.
일으켜서
Are
3차
you
대전을
going to begin
일으키려는
World
겁니다.
War III by starting a war with bloodshed?
무능하고 무식한 방법.
This is a foolish and ignorant way.
우리는 힘은 견제하는
We should
데서
develop the
끝나고
power to the point of
그게
checking
속에
and
발전을
balancing
해서
each other.
나중에 이 힘도 거듭
Furthermore,
증가해서 세상에
when
변화하고
countries advance to a point of eliminating force,
힘의 논리는
peace will
인류를
ensue.
변화하게 할 수 없다.
The logic of force does not lead to world
다시
peace.
인류 형제들이 피 흘리는 꼴을
Do
볼
you
것인가?
really want to see our brothers bleed again?
그렇게 되지 않겠고
Shouldn't we gather our wisdom to prevent that from happening?
그래서 이 사람이
That
세상에
is
나왔어요.
why I have come out into the world. Ask me anything in the universe.
어떤 지도자도 내가
If you are a leader of a country,
삶을 살려면
ask me what to do if you want to be respected by your people. When people's lives are prosperous and happy, that will be the day that the citizens will respect you.
당신이 인류의 존경을
If you
받는다면
are respected by
인류의
humanity,
전쟁은 없습니다.
there will be no war in the world.
그게 지도자상이에요.
That's the ideal image of a leader. That is a respectful
당신이
life.
기업을 이끌면
If you lead a company and its associates and people living in the country where that company resides respect you,
당신을 건들 사람은
then no one can touch you.
국민이 즐겁게 살 수
You
있도록
are
이끌고
respected
있으니
because you
존경받는
lead people to live joyfully.
이게 지도자상입니다. 지금
This is the
이
ideal image of a leader.
지도자상들이
The leader of each region should be respected by their inhabitants, and the leader who leads humanity
인류를 이끌
should
수
be
있는
respected
그런
around the
지도자라면
world.
인류에 존경받아내야 되는 것이다. 똑똑하다고
Being
지도자가 되는 게 아니에요.
smart doesn't make you a leader.
지도자가 없는 지구촌입니다.
There is no leader in the world now.
대통령은 앉았다고
Being
지도자가 되는 건
president
아니에요.
doesn't mean you are a leader.
자리가 있으니 탐을 내서 앉을 수도
You may
있겠지만
strong arm and mobilize a group to win the
불러서 앉을
presidency,
수도 있겠지만
but if you
국민은
can't
즐겁게
provide a
살 수
way
있는
for people to
길을
live
열어줄
happily,
수는 없으니
then you will not receive respect and have a bitter life after leaving the presidency.
스승을 만나지 못하고는
Without meeting a
여기서 한
스승,
발도 더 못 가.
you cannot take a single step
이렇게
forward. You can understand it like this.